नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं CNBC आवाज और ये है खास मुलाकात। पिछले 11 साल में भारत में कोई नया बैंक नहीं खुला। अब कुछ नए लाइसेंस मिले हैं और जो एक नया बैंक खुलने वाला है ये कोई बड़े कॉरपोरेट इंडिया के ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस द्वारा नहीं बल्कि एक ऐसा बैंक जिसका नाम आप लोगों ने जरूर सुना होगा, बंधन, जो अब तक सिर्फ गरीब महिलाओं को कर्ज देने का काम करता आया है और अब अगस्त महीने में, इसी महीने में ये एक यूनिवर्सल फुल फ्लेजेड बैंक के रूप में काम करना शुरू कर देगा। आप कल्पना नहीं कर सकते कि त्रिपुरा के एक मिठाई वाले का बेटा भारत में 11 साल के गैप के बाद अब एक पूरा बैंक खोल रहा है। इस पिछले जो जर्नी रही है इस बैंक की 13 साल से ज्यादा की रही है और वो कमाल की जर्नी रही है जहां सवाल फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन का आता है। चंद्रशेखर घोष CEO और MD हैं बंधन बैंक के। घोष साहब, आपने वक्त निकाला, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। आप अब एक नया बैंक लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, फुल फ्लेजेड बैंक लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं। आपके लिए चेंज क्या होगा पहले के काम में और अब नए वाले काम में?
मुझे हिंदी अच्छा नहीं आता है तो इसलिए क्षमा चाहते हैं, तो हम हिंदी से नहीं बोलना पाएगा, हम इंग्लिश में बोलना पाएगा। सो दिस इज ए न्यू बैंक we are coming, but we are working as a microfinance institution all over the country, 22 states. So we are now focusing on that, how we can transform ourselves to as a universal bank to serve the country, all the citizens on that. So this is a very challenging job, but we are ready to do it, and we are announced already on that. The President of India, 23rd of August, will inaugurate this bank with presence of the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley and other dignitaries also.
राइट, तो 23 अगस्त को राष्ट्रपति इस बैंक को लॉन्च कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन आपके लाइफ में जो बड़ा बदलाव है, अभी तक आप सिर्फ लोगों को कर्ज दे रहे थे, पैसे देते थे, अब आप पैसे लेने की शुरुआत करेंगे, डिपॉजिट लेने की शुरुआत करेंगे। तो ये काम आपका कैसे, क्या प्लान है, क्या करने वाले हैं?
No, we have already in a network 2022 branch offices and 2,68,000 service point all over the 22 states, and we have now 18,000 employees working under this system, and we are reaching to the 67 lakhs women families to touch is there. So we know them and they know us. So in that sense, the is a 2,68,000 service point means 2,68,000 villages, and all these villages people also know us because weekly we are moving, going to that village, meet with this level of the people, and there is a good relationship already built up on that. So the savings, we are like to now starting with the savings and fixed deposit and this. So when go to this type of product, so there is a first need of the people should be trust us. So that part we already been covered, I feel that. So on the basis of that we are starting the bank, that trust on that. And of course we are opening also another 600 bank branches all over the country, 27 states. So through these bank branches, my colleague also will go to these different people. Those are not in the covered by the microfinance services, but the same areas. So we hope that we will be attract them to the good deposit bank of the Bandhan on that.
Right. तो अभी जो आप बता रहे हैं कि करीबन 67 लाख लोगों को आपने लोन दिया हुआ है जो आपसे जुड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन ये लोग आपके बोरोवर ही रहने वाले हैं या इनमें से बहुत सारे लोग अब शायद आपके डिपॉजिटर बन जाएंगे?
No, this level of the people not only need the money as a loan, they also have a small deposit, and that small deposit there is no bank network they can be take it, so that they are using informal institution. Sometimes they lost their capital also. So this is an opportunity for them. So when we will be start the bank operation, so they will get the opportunities to deposit their money in the village level. That means their doorsteps level. Our staff will be collect their deposit and also give their loan and collect also the installment of the loan. So both all the facilities they will get from the one door. and that is we called it the basic banking services. That is the deposit services, loan services, remittance services, insurance services. All they will get their doorstep level. So if they will get the doorstep level, so they will be happy to deposit a small amount, and they will also get that the more capital formation, their confidence will become more, and they also use it as they liberalize on that, and the more lending money they will be get it on that. So, and then we are also happy with these services.
आप अभी बता रहे थे नंबर बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, 2.68 lakhs विलेजेस में आप अभी प्रेजेंट हैं।
यस,
ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है,
बड़ा नंबर।
और ये नंबर जो है ये आपका बेसिकली ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है, ये अक्रॉस द कंट्री अभी नहीं है।
नहीं, ये तो है 22 स्टेट में है, तो मोर फोकस है ईस्टर्न रीजन का। तो क्या बात है, तो टोटल जो कंट्री है ना, कंट्री का बैंकिंग पेनिट्रेशन ईस्टर्न रीजन में कम होता है, वो जो 1/3 होता है कंट्री के लिए। सो ये 1/3 एरिया जो भी थोड़ा कम होता है बैंकिंग पेनिट्रेशन, व्हाई नॉट विल बी फोकस इन दिस एरिया where banking penetration is low, so that people will get that opportunities and their economic level will be upgrade on that, and country will be benefited to get that the economic growth.
तो अभी मान लीजिए 10,000 करोड़ का आपका बुक है, तो अब आपके पास चूंकि डिपॉजिट में मुझे लगता है बहुत पैसा आएगा, तो वैसे में आप लोग क्या समझते हैं कि आप लोग देने के लिए, लोन देने के लिए एक साल में क्या टारगेट आपके मन में होगा कि 10,000 करोड़ की बुक ये 20,000 करोड़ की बन जाए?
If you see that in the as a country situation of the who are not getting the banking loan, this one side, we say that at the bottom of the pyramid they are not getting it. But there are always people assess these people are high risk, so that they are not getting the banking loan. They are fully dependent on traditional money lender. Is a big high interest rate which is not repayable on that. So this is the one side where we are already been proved our model to reach them and given the loan, and their repayment rate is better than the corporate also. Correct. So this is the one side. So we will be like to keep this area to grow more according to their need on that. And second is there the top and bottom, the middle is the one gap. It is called the micro, small and medium enterprise. And these people also have the need of the fund, and this fund is not also available from our existing banking system. We like to cater these areas, and if we provide that, a huge amount is needed on that. So deposit will become, we grow the existing level, and also little bit better position those are the people have need the money will be like to give it up.
किस तरह के बिजनेसेस को आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लोन देना चाहेंगे प्रायोरिटी के तौर पे?
तो मेरा फोकस पहले ही था द बिजनेस का ग्रुप है। सो बिजनेस छोटे छोटे बिजनेस है बाजार में है, वो आना चाहिए पहले। अदर फैक्टर है तो छोटे छोटे हाउसिंग लोन चाहिए। नो, the bank housing loan, when they are giving to it, maybe 15 lakhs and onwards. So why not in the between this level, 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs of the housing loan, we can give to focus on that. Okay. And गाँव में another thing है, वो जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है, व्हीकल है, तो ये बोलते हैं कमर्शियल व्हीकल, ये ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए, तो ये थोड़ा पूरा फाका है, तो कोई भी बैंक नहीं आता है, तो हम फोकस करना है उसके लिए। तो इसीलिए हम आता है छोटो नहीं है बट मीडियम थोड़ा सा बड़ा है। बिल्कुल।
ये हम लोग हमेशा चर्चा करते हैं कि गरीब लोगों में डिफॉल्ट कम होता है और बड़े बड़े बिजनेस वाले ज्यादा बड़े डिफॉल्टर होते हैं। तो ये आपका बिना कोलैटरल के आप इनको पैसे देते हैं, वो वापस आता है, क्या वजह है? इसको आप कभी सोचते होंगे कि ऐसा क्या है कि बिल्कुल नेग्लिजिबल डिफॉल्ट रेट है?
तो गरीब जो लोग है ना, उस पीपल वेरी इनोसेंट है, वेरी कमिटमेंट है, वेरी सीरियस है बिजनेस के लिए। सो वो जो बिजनेस करते हैं ना, उसका वेरी सीरियसली बिजनेस करते हैं, उसका रिटर्न आता है, वो इसीलिए ये मेरा पास अच्छा रिपेमेंट था। Another thing is there that our people always also very carefully and supervise it and monitor it. If they have face any problem, we are giving some of the advice to solve it. So immediately they will come out from the problem. So this way, when you say that within a year, the 50 times my people physically meet with them. So then if they will get the mentoring support, so automatically their mind will be changed to repayment and also business growth.
और अब डिपॉजिट लेने के लिए आप शहरों में फोकस करेंगे, लोन देने के लिए गांव में फोकस करेंगे, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग ठीक है मेरी?
If you say that it is partly is correct,
but you will get deposits from rural area also.
Rural area also, and the rural area there is a good cash base in the India. But because of the banking penetration is not that much, so that deposit is not coming. So I give this one example on that. So if you enter to the one village, that village only not the poor people is living, middle class also living, and maybe one of the top class people also, rich people also living. But how they are getting the service? So all the people, when I talk with them, they say that, sir, my house is very far from the bank branch. So I cannot go to the every day to the bank branch to deposit my money and withdraw my money. It is better I am keep my home. So when I am going to the village and collecting this deposit, and this small amount they also can be use our channel.
तो मान लीजिए फिक्स डिपॉजिट आजकल 8.25% का 8.25 चल रहा है, तो आप उससे थोड़ा कॉम्पिटिटिव,
उसके ये 25 basis point और 30 basis point we also like to increase on that.
तो वो तो बड़ा अट्रैक्टिव होगा.
Oh, poor people also get benefit, and all the country people also benefit. We also get some deposit, and we can be served as a bank.
अभी तक आपका जो मॉडल चल रहा था माइक्रो फाइनेंस वाला, उसमें जो आपकी टीम थी, जो पूरा स्टाफ था, वो एक अलग टैलेंट और एक अलग स्किल रहा. अब आप 600 पूरे फुल फ्लेज्ड ब्रांच खोल रहे होंगे, तो आपको जो पूरी मैनेजमेंट टीम बनानी पड़ी है, इस टैलेंट को एक्वायर करना कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? कहाँ से मिले लोग आपको?
नो, ये वेरी बिग चैलेंज है मेरे लिए पहले से. After receiving the in principle bank license 2nd of April, so I decided what types of challenge will come. So big challenge I fixed on that. This is an HR challenge. How I mixed with this existing culture to the new culture, because you know that we have not any bank experience. We have need some of the experienced bank people. When I recruited that experienced bank people, they are come from the different culture, and this is a different culture. How I mixed it? So I first completed the training to my existing all staffs. What are the challenges coming? If I award them, then they will be fit on that. How I can be adapt myself along with the new challenge on that. So this is the one thing we have been done. And when I recruit the people, new people, as from banking industry, we also train them separately. What are the organization have been built up by the people, how they are important for the organization, and this too. And after that, we have been conducted some of the meeting, discussion, and together. So then we have been come as a good team now, has been fit on that. So this is.
आजकल सारे पुराने जो बैंक हैं उनको भी अब टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर के बड़ा स्ट्रगल है, डिजिटल होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आप चूंकि बिल्कुल नया बैंक शुरू कर रहे हैं, तो इस सेंस में आप भी लोगों से आगे रहें, तो डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल आपके पूरे बैंकिंग को चलाने के लिए कितना होगा या मिक्स होगा? अभी
डिजिटल तो फोकस होना ही चाहिए. अभी जो बैंक नया बैंक आ रही है, डिजिटल फोकस होना ही चाहिए. एंड लॉट ऑफ कॉज इज देयर. But other thing is there, my maximum people of the country, they are not usable of the high types of digital things. But they should need to give the education to them how they can be use it. So that we are starting fast on that. All of my staff, those are going to the village to collect the installment and deposit. They will use the handheld device. So there is no passbook, there is no written on that. Because there is a cause is there also. There is level of the people, there is a customer level. they maybe not fill up the withdrawal slip or maybe check or maybe deposit slip. How I can do it? Because everyone, if I like to fulfill their deposit slip, it's a huge work. It's huge time is required, cost will be more. So we have been designed in such a way, every of my staff carry the handheld device. This is called that the POS machine. So they are carry it, and every of my customer will get the debit card. And debit card, and every customers have the biometric will become as a authentication. So when they sweep the card and biometric will give, they can withdraw the money, they can deposit the money, and they will get the slip. And when they will get the slip, so there is no need to the deposit slip and withdrawn slip. So in this way, we are going to this level of the people.
ये पॉस और डेबिट कार्ड तो एक एडवांसमेंट है, लेकिन अब आजकल पेमेंट कंपनीज बहुत सारी आ गई हैं, मोबाइल वॉलेट का बहुत सारा काम होने लगा है. ये भी एक नेक्स्ट स्टेप है और सिर्फ मोबाइल से सारा काम हो जाएगा. एक्चुअली पॉस और डेबिट कार्ड के आगे की वो स्टेज हमको ऐसा लगता है. आप उसको अभी कर रहे हैं या आप उसके लिए वेट करेंगे?
No, day one we are starting this mobile banking, but not in a whole bank on that. It will take some time. I am again like to say that these people should be like to understand that what types of transaction is needed to by the mobile, because these people is not like to go as is today. They purchase the vegetable and fish with the mobile, but future it will come on that. But now it's need to educate them. They can give the education fee, school fee through this mobile. They can be use this mobile phone for pay the electricity bill, no telephone bill. But it will be take some time on that to educate them. They can use it, and then it will become as a big way. So we are the big number of people already in there. We are starting that to educate them how they can be using and what types of transaction they can be done through the mobile, and that will become on that future. And of course it is a big opportunities for a new bank to focus on this area.
तो हायरिंग पर वापस आते हैं. जिस दिन आपका बैंक खुलेगा उस दिन अंदाज 19,000 एम्प्लॉइज विल बी देयर इन बंधन बैंक, बट यू विल बी हायरिंग मोर. तो अभी जब आप हायरिंग कर रहे हैं तो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट, मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन, ये जो मिक्स है दो कल्चर का, उसको देखते हुए जो मॉडल आप बना रहे हैं उसमें आपको कैसे लोग चाहिए?
टिल नाउ वी हैव द मॉडल ऑफ द HR थोड़ा अलग है बैंक से लिए. तो मेरा माइक्रो फाइनेंस चैनल है. वी आर डिजाइनिंग ऑन दैट टू रिक्रूट द पीपल इन अ माइक्रो फाइनेंस चैनल, build up their skill in a microfinance organization, promote them to the bank. So this is the way we are trying to capture the people. Those are living in the poor area, those are living in the rural area, and they are getting the more advantage to access this type of bank employee on that. So this is one side. And other side also we have need some of the very quality people. We are also focusing some of the MBA institution to take some of the MBA, and they are literally recruit from that institution to the microfinance branches, and also they are recruited as a bank employee. And together that will be like to mix to these people and run the bank of us.
Right. लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे ये पूछूंगा कि इस वक्त फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन के लिए जितना काम चल रहा है और पूरे देश में बॉटम ऑफ पिरामिड के लोगों को एड्रेस करने की कोशिश हो रही है, इसको और इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए और बहुत जल्दी से एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएं, इसके लिए क्या क्या करने की जरूरत है? आपको तो एकदम डे टू डे का एक्सपीरियंस है, उसको देखते हुए हमको ये समझाइए कि अभी सारे स्टेक होल्डर को मिल करके प्रायोरिटी में क्या क्या करना चाहिए?
No, इसीलिए तो what we are thinking on that is it should be focused on the rural and unbanked area. And second point is they should be start with the financial education to the people. When the financial education come to the people, and people will be come to this banking system on that. And another point is how we can build up the easy system. No, not in a complicated system, 6 pages of the bank account opening forms, they should not be like to go to that. How it can be reduced on the 1 page of that. and one page easily they can understand, and they can be they can share their information to fill up this form. No, otherwise it will be not like to reach in these people on that. And maybe challenge also is there, the financial inclusion part on that. When we enter to the interior village on that, there is electricity is not very good. So electrification, government should be linked to give the focus on that, how electricity supply will become good way in the village level.
So digital access actually depend करता है बिजली है कि
बिजली का लिए. And second point is there the internet connectivity. Internet connectivity also should be give the focus of the country policy making on that. Strategically, how quick we can give the service in the rural India. So until these two are not available in a good way, so whatever the implementing organization like to start, they will face the big challenge, and they would be not like to this level of the people on that. So I hope that the future government will be focused on this area, and it will become as a good.
घोष साहब, पिछले 13 साल में आपने कमाल का काम किया है. आपके नए बैंक के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हमारी तरफ से और बहुत बहुत बधाई. थैंक यू.